This is the navicular drop test. And so you're going to have your patient in standing right away. You're going to have them supinate. Actually, I'm going to find subtalar neutral first. Right there. And then I'm going to mark on my card where her navicular is. And then I'm going to have her pronate all the way without lifting her little toe off the ground. And then I'm going to mark again. And then I'm going to take my measurer and I'm going to measure the millimeters in between. And if there's greater than 3 millimeters, that's a positive test for a navicular drop.